Namaskaram everyone. Myself Nima, one of the Asia meditators and the volunteers. I hope you all are doing great and having a beautiful time every moment of your life. Today I'm here to talk about the sadhana. Yes, you have recently joined the Inner Indian program. You have learned Sambhavi Mahamudra and you are practicing Sambhavi Mahamudra every day. And I hope you all are continuing with your mandala. Yes, that's a very essential part of the practice and it will give you a tremendous change in yourself. Yes, I know when I am talking about the change, there are many people who are already seeking for the change. They are already judging themselves that whether they are changing or whether they are fixing themselves or not. Yes, guys, it's very common thing that we start to seek for the results and we start to seek for the fixes very quickly. But here I would like to tell you guys that don't look for the results so soon. It's too early to look for the results or to look for any kind of fixes in yourself. It's really very early. And if you try to judge your practice, if you try to look for the results in such a quick manner, then you will definitely get disappointed or you will definitely get frustrated in yourself and maybe you will stop the practice. So this is what happens with us, that we look for the results in a very quick manner and we get disappointed. So I would like to request you all, please don't look for the results and just keep going with the practice. It is changing you, only that you are not aware about it. So to inspire you guys, I would like to share my own experience. Yes, my own experience. With my husband. Actually, me and my husband both joined the Inner Indian program together in 2017. And since then, we are practicing Sambhavi Mahamudra. So initially, what happened when my husband started to practice, he didn't get connected to the practice and he didn't like to continue with the practice. What he used to do that, he used to judge himself, he used to judge his practice and he will say that, oh, I'm not finding any connection with that, oh, I'm not finding any results in it. So why shall I do it? And he will stop the practice for 1 or 2 weeks like that. And he also got very much inspired with my practice, that how disciplined I am towards my practice. And I was changing. He was looking at myself that I was changing. And I knew that my husband is also changing, only that he didn't agree with that. So he, some days he will not do the practice and sometimes couple of weeks he will not do the practice. So there was me who was continued with the practice and who was very disciplined in the practices. So he got inspired with that and he continued with that practice. And after he didn't believe until last year. He still doubted so many times about the practice. Though he was changing, I knew that he is changing and he changed so many things in himself. But only that man does not really agree to the woman so easily. So he didn't agree so many times, but then I didn't try to convince him much. But after 2 years of practice, he realized that he need the practice. And definitely it is helping, only that agreement was not there. So that's how he kept going with the practice. And after 2 years, he was very disciplined in the practice. He started to have the faith into it. And then when he started to have the faith into the practice, he started to change much faster. And now I see lot of change. It's like multiplying every new day. And he's changing. And not only changing, he has changed in so many ways. So this is what happens with us, that we look for the quick results. Some people really take time to open themselves, to accept some different kind of system or different kind of things. My husband really took a long time to accept something like this kind of Kriya. Though he belongs to India only, he is an Indian, but India also has another kind of spirituality. So belonging to that kind of system, he took really long time to understand yoga and yogic practices. But now he has changed and he is really a wonderful person again. He was a wonderful person and he is still a wonderful person. So I'm sharing this experience with you guys so that you don't stop your practice. You don't give up your practice. Your practice is the way out for your problems. It's the only way out. The Sambhavi Mahamudra is the only way out to fix you, to take you out of your problems. So believe me, stop judging yourself, stop judging the practice. Stop finding the results in you. It's too early to find the results. It's too early to seek for any kind of fixes. Just keep going with your practices. You will see one day you will be a changed person. So trust yourself, trust the system. It will help you. It is already helping you, only that you are not aware about it. So keep going, guys. Don't give up your sadhana. I have shared one experience with you and it's from my home. So please trust the system. Believe in yourself. Keep going with the sadhana. It is the only way out. I hope I'm able to inspire you. And please share your experiences. Please write the comments. It will inspire me back again. Thank you. I hope to see you soon. Namaskar.